Hi folks, AJ the Bartender here, and this week I'm going to be making the rusty nail. I'm going to teach you how to make it. How I remember how to make the rusty nail is I think of some tip my friend John taught me. Is if you step on a rusty nail, you're going to be sad. And sad stands for Scotch and Drambuie. We're going to be making this drink in just a moment, but first I'm going to show you a series of outtakes for no particular reason of previous week's drink videos. Hiya folks! 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 Hiya folks, AJ the Bartender here. Well, it's been 5 months since we've started doing these videos, and we've collected quite a bit of material. I've put a lot of drinks out there, taught a lot of drink recipes for everybody, but now it's kind of that time in the show season where they do kind of like an early premature callback episode. So that's what I was thinking of doing this time, is just showing outtakes of all the material we've shot thus far. Now let's watch this sunset on a fruitful drink show, and we'll see you on the rise on the other side with some more material. But thanks for sticking with me this far.
Yeah. 3 ounces of booze total.
Well, it's not all booze. And let me tell you something. This is the drink you want in your hand at this broke midnight. You just struggle. Let's get the car in the background. Cincona. We're gonna pour a little tonic water. Go ahead and click away, Bosco. No worries. Enjoy. Wait, this is the moment we get a little connection here. We filming? Okay.
You can splash them together, cheers, and more sploosh. I want to see them sploosh.
No, yeah. It's only if you wanted to have extra action.
Cheers.
Cut right there at the top of your action, cut their reaction.
And they're probably not going to let you take your drinks in there, I'm assuming. Wait, AJ, you just want me to stand here and shoot up there?
Yes, not quick. Up there, we're going to face over here from that clock tower, and we're going to, yeah. So, alright. So, drone footage of Brian running, if you can, and then drone footage of us up there.
So you want me to stand like right here and zoom in up there?
You guys are up there or about up there before we do this, so we can just do it in one launch, one drone launch, and reduce the chance of getting bumped.
Maybe like Brian running up here from the shot of him like running around that arc and up the ramp, and that's like enough. And then you see how he's getting up.
We did the grenade in the background on the last one, that's not.
Yeah.
Okay. What does 86 stand for? Do you know where it comes from?
Good question. Thanks a lot for putting me on the spot.
No, don't worry, cut it out.
I really don't. I'll look it up.
Click the link below.
Yeah. Everybody Google that. Google that and tell me. A lot of times I learn from a bartender. I actually, that's a great question. I'd love to know. After 30 years, you'd think I would know. But I don't. That's a great question.
I'll look it up right now. The speakeasy bar at 86 Bedford Street in Greenwich Village called Chumley's in New York. With no address on the door and several hidden exits. When the heat showed up, guests were known to 86 it or remove themselves from the premises immediately.
Oh, very
That's where it
cool.
comes from.
Very cool.
Speakeasy bar at 86 Bedford Street in Greenwich Village.
Oh my god. It's okay, it was just for this. Oh my god, that is so great. You just missed gold.
Oh shit.
Top of the morning to you. Oh, top of the morning to you. AJ the Bartender here. How's your sir? You're nervous. What do you think? Would you like me to keep going?
I think I got it.
I think I got it. That way company can just grab a plastic cup and some ice and pour it straight on in. It's good. It'll keep you going all day long. Guaranteed. That's all I got for this part. Hey, well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's free in this world. We'll see you next week. Well, orange juice, is it on? Orange juice in there, yeah. Mix it in your mouth, buddy. What are we missing, huh? Here we go.
Harvey.
Want to tell you something?
You wanted to say Harvey Bobby.
Easy for you to say, you're not the one about to get public intoxication. Yeah.
So a bunch of shit fell in your drink.
That's alright.
Now it's us running, just us 2 shots running.
Was I in that?
I don't know.
Who cares? Okay. Alright, everybody clear? You gonna get us? We're running? Alright, us 2 running down here. Here we go. Ready? Back shot. Us 2 together. Heroes. Alright, you found gold. You found fucking gold. Yes, and then you just always go, and your eyes go wide, real wide. Yeah, and you're just like, hot diggity dog damn. Hold it up to the sun, so your hand, let me see your hand. Be right here. All right, now look down a little. Don't look at me. Don't look at the camera. Here, your hand right there. Don't move. All right, right there. All right, now look real happy, but not at me. Not at me. Like look up at the sky. Like you just did. Yeah. Get into it, man. You just found gold. You've been out here all damn. Hey, subscribe.
I'm sweating in the suit. Can't wait to get out of here.
Say subscribe.
Zoom in on that right there. Zoom into this.
See the Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna coat my rim with my own sweat. Then we will finish up here, and I'll burn off my clothes. And then after that, I think you can hit that subscribe button. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, a little add-on to this drink video is that Myers lemons make for a hell of a good time with this drink. So if you're not making a sidecar with lemons, then you ain't So now that we've gone through that ridiculousness, we can make our rusty nail drink, which was promised to you. So first, we're going to be adding our Lafroig Scotch. We're going to do about 1.5 ounces of that. And just on its own, it's a very good Scotch. Now, Drambuie was created for Donnie Prince Charlie, who led the Scottish uprising against the British Crown in 1740. The exact recipe is unknown, but it is a sweetened Scotch with some herbs and honeys and that sort mixed in with it. So we added 1.5 ounces of our Scotch. We're just going to add 1/2 ounce of Drambuie to our rusty nail. You can add a squeeze of lemon to this drink. This is a very small lemon because it's picked from my cocktail garden that I'm starting, and it's not quite ready yet, but this little trooper is going to give us plenty of juice because it's real sharp, one of those Myers, really good mix between an orange and a lemon kind of flavoring, but it's going to really just mellow that drink out. I'm just going to add a squeeze of that in there. And there we have it. We're going to put it in a rocks glass and we're going to serve it over ice. And thus we have our rusty nail. Enjoy. The history of the rusty nail is it took a lot of steam for this drink to catch its momentum in the world. Originally, it was made in 1937. However, it wasn't until the 1960s, around sometime in 1963, when the Rat Pack, right? We're talking Dean Martin, Sammy Davis Jr., Frank Sinatra. They started drinking a lot of Scotch drinks, and they popularized the rusty nail and gave it a worldwide spread. And that's when the rusty nail really sunk its teeth into the cocktail game. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Nothing's free in this world.